when you're dealing with cancer, it's like a tug of war. And you want as many different people to join in with you on your side of the rope as possible. So that's what Envita does. When we came here, she had 8 cancer lesions on her face. Within 2 weeks, all the bandages were gone. The lesions were all gone but one. And they've since all gone away, and there's no sign of cancer at all on her skin.
My name is Mary Elizabeth Ellis, and I'm married to Eric.
We're from northern Maine. We've been here 2 months. We came, we had been battling squamous cell carcinoma on her face. We've been to dermatologists, we've had things burned, we've had things cut out. We've tried every naturopathic thing you can imagine. We had her get a thorough physical, and he said, you need to see a dermatologist. The dermatologist said that...
I thought it was an age spot. It was melanoma. And then there was another one up here, and I thought it was an age spot, so...
They wanted to cut the melanoma out immediately. And I said, well, wait a minute. My research shows that you cut melanoma out and it comes back.
It spreads.
And then you cut it out again, and then it comes back again. I said, we need to get to the source of what's causing the melanoma. So I said, we're going to try the Gerson cancer diet therapy. The squamous cell was developing and spreading, and that's more difficult to eradicate with the Gerson therapy because it's not as aggressive, so your immune system doesn't recognize it so readily as something that shouldn't be there. I had explored many alternative cancer therapy clinics, and I thought, well, this one has a few good things that I know that work, and this other one has a few other things that work. I know we prayed, and it was a very unusual circumstance that an Amish neighbor told us about Envita. After several emails and phone calls with Samantha, I said, look, Samantha, this is a huge sacrifice, both financially and time and every which way you can imagine, for us to go from Maine to Arizona for 2 months for this therapy. And I said, if it's just a few cute tricks to run a business, like so many other clinics I've seen, then just level with me and tell me up front. I just knew she was real, and we needed to do this. And we did, and
they could fit us in so quickly.
So thankful to see such remarkable healing so quickly. Something else that impressed me about Envita was the thorough diagnostics.
It was amazing.
They must have taken 36 tubes of blood. They sent
both arms.
They sent some blood off to Europe, which was the only place that they were satisfied with the thorough genetic testing they would get. They uncovered a multitude of root problems in her body. They've stripped out heavy metals. They found a chronic staph infection into her sinus area. They found chronic viral infections. They've realigned her skeleton so that lymph and blood and nerves can function as they should. They've flooded her body with nutrients through IVs. It's just a great piece knowing that the people who are that you've entrusted your health to care, and they're knowledgeable too.
And I was real impressed with the nurses too. How thoughtful.
Yeah, experience, knowledge, and care. We came here after battling squamous cell carcinoma for 8 years and starting to lose ground. We got here, and within a week, I was just shocked. I was literally just shocked to see the healing, the rapid, dramatic healing. And it continued, and after 4 or 5 weeks, I felt like we actually made it.